how should companies read the tea leaves when it comes to industrial policy?
I almost think the term industrial policy is now a misnomer. There was a time when Colt firearms made pistols in Connecticut. I'm going back to the 1800s. And they were in the cusp of the Industrial Revolution. We began to have big and heavy manufacturing jobs with steel plants and stamping out cars. And we got to be quite good at that until others got better at it. And I'm thinking of Japan and their ability to automate supply chains and or automate manufacturing processes. And we allowed those jobs to drift away, but we exchanged them for knowledge work and technical work. Think software, think digitization, that sort of change out. We now recognize that our industrial capacity to build things has atrophied to a point that it's actually dangerous from a strategic perspective. And so things like shipbuilding, major construction, we need to have some baseline capability. I think it's fantasy to think that we'll go back to the manufacturing boom of the post-World War II era. Those jobs are gone, but it doesn't mean that jobs are gone. The nature of work is changing, and AI is a perfect example, but we've had other examples, maybe not as dramatic as AI, but think about when we didn't have computers on desks, when we didn't have calculators in our hands. We've gone through these sorts of changes in the past. How we embrace the technology to use it to our advantage to improve our economic capacity and improve our lives, that's for us to do. And I think the story is still being written.